After 100 years, Shure Microphones has finally delivered the microphone that every creator has wanted. Since 1925, Shure has been a technology leader with products that have set industry standards and have pretty much become synonymous with superior quality and reliability. They're celebrating 100 years this year. That means they must be doing something right. But now, there's no excuse. This is the Shure MoveMic 88 Plus, and if you create content, you need to hear what this can do. From vlogging to podcasting to singing or recording instruments, this mic is an all-in-one solution that any creator can use. Now, before we dive in, my friends over at Shure did send me this microphone to check out, but there is no obligation to make this video or say anything about it. But because I am a fan of Shure products and they've sent me a lot, I wanted to share with you another quality microphone that you can consider checking out. Everything you hear is 100% my honest experience. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the MoveMic 88 Plus microphone, of course, a cold shoe microphone clip, a 5/8" mic clip, a USB charging cable, and a soft pouch to carry everything. The mic powers on when you use the power button that's located on the top. And if you hold down the power button for a few seconds, it will go into pairing mode, allowing you to connect it with your phone so that you can use it with the Shure Motive Audio or Shure Motive Video app. The LED lights on the back of the microphone keep you informed of what's actually going on. The solid green light means that you're ready to go. The red light means that you're either muted or you have low battery. And the blinking blue light means that you're actually in pairing mode. Now, if you go for the microphone plus receiver bundle kit, you'll also get a compact wireless receiver. This will allow you to connect it with a DSLR or mirrorless camera like I'm using to record this video. The benefit of having the receiver is that if you're filming with the camera, you can connect this microphone to that camera. You can even enable a safety track, which is a backup audio track at a lower level to protect you against any potential clipping. Now, one of the ways to actually maximize the full potential of this microphone is by using the Shure app. Let's go through some of the features that you can do inside of the app. This is where it truly shines. You can record directly to your phone, iOS or Android, without needing a receiver. Once connected, the app gives you deep control. You can control the gain, the EQ, the compression, the limiter, the monitor mix, and even enable noise reduction. Before you even start to hit the record button, I would recommend that you adjust your mic gain so that the loudest peaks only hit about 75% of the app's live meter. If it's too low, you'll sound thin. If it's too high, you might start to clip. Before you actually start filming, make sure that you enable airplane mode. You don't want any unwanted distractions, those phone calls, those notifications, anything that can disrupt you while you're actually filming. You also notice that on the back of the microphone, not only do you have a USB port that can be used to connect directly to a computer and actually charge the microphone, but you also have a headphone jack as well. This can be used for monitoring. If you want to monitor your audio, I would highly recommend that you use a wired connection using the headphone jack on the back of the microphone. This is also the preferred method if you're in one of those Zoom meetings so that we don't hear the echo in your system. So make sure you're wearing headphones. It just helps everybody out. And you also have 5 preset audio modes, and you'll see this in the app. You can tailor your sound to your content. You have speech, which is a tight, clean audio for talking head videos, just like this one. You have singing, which adds a little bit more warmth and clarity into your audio. You have flat, no processing. It gives you a raw audio signal for post editing. You have acoustic instrument, which is great balance for your natural instrument tones. And you have band mode, which handles those high volume situations like those live events and concerts. Now, I want to show you this simple vlogging setup because, as you know, I don't really do vlogging on this channel, but this microphone encouraged me to do that. Here, I have a simple Manfrotto tabletop tripod and my iPhone 13 Pro Max, along with, of course, the MoveMic 88 Plus mounted on it. Never again do I have to think about cables for this type of setup. Let's go outside and test out this microphone in a real-world environment. This is the test with no microphone. So vlogging has come back into style, apparently, something that I still am not comfortable doing, even though there's hardly anybody outside today. But if you are going to vlog, you want to make sure that you have good camera, obviously, but even more so better audio. And if you're outside walking, there are all kind of elements that could disturb your audio. Could be the birds chirping, or as it is in my case right now, you could actually hear people mowing the lawn. So in order for me to prevent this extra noise coming into the audio, I can't just stop vlogging. I actually need to create content. But what I can do is make sure that I'm using the MoveMic 88 Plus on this vlog so that I can have voice isolation that helps knock down that outside ambient noise and other distractions. You don't want people to stop watching just because the audio is just bad. You could have really great content, and sometimes, and in most cases, the on-the-go content just makes more sense from a time perspective. If you don't have time to sit down and execute on content, you need to make sure that you have the equipment in place that just makes things seamless and makes it so that you don't have to repeat the process at a later time. Using an onboard microphone is just simply not the way to achieve those results. So you want to make sure that you upgrade your audio because it's just important as the video. So we're out here vlogging today, trying something new using the built-in microphone. You can hear everything. Audio is not as clean, audio is not as crisp, and you can hear everything. The cars passing, the birds chirping, people building houses, the old construction. You can hear everything if you don't have a microphone. So we're gonna plug in the MoveMic 88 Plus and hear the audio difference. Now, right now, the local lawn people are actually closer than what they were before, so their noise is a lot louder than it was in the previous video. But because I'm using this microphone, the noise is definitely not as disruptive as it would have been with my built-in microphone. Having the ability to isolate where the audio is being picked up is really key. So right now I'm just using a 60-degree range, so it's not picking up the exteriors as much. This is definitely helpful to improve the level and the quality of audio so that people that are listening actually pay more attention to what I'm saying versus the lawnmower. One of the things I like about this setup is that the microphone is wirelessly connected because I'm using the Motive app. So by using this video app, I'm able to vlog, I'm able to record, I'm able to do any type of video and audio setup that I'm looking to accomplish. This makes it really easy to create this content on the go. As someone that does not like vlogging, having a simple process that encouraged me to do so is definitely helpful. And by using an audio setup that's wireless, it's one less thing I have to remember to put into my bag. We all have so many extra cables laying around, and when you need that one cable and you can never find it, then you tend to just give up and just move on to the next thing. Having a wireless setup eliminates that need, and using this is something I can get used to. The new style vlog with good audio. Have you ever listened to a vlog that has bad audio? How many times have you just clicked off? If it had decent audio, would you listen to it even if this footage was a little shaky like me holding this camera right now? If the content is good, I am definitely there. If the audio is good, I'm definitely there. I can deal with a little bad video, but if I can't hear anything, there's no sense in me trying to listen. As a creator that has a full schedule, one of the things that I'm always trying to do is make sure that I get at least 15 minutes of walking in every single day. It's one of the things I teach, that I coach other creators to make sure that you're taking care of your overall health. If you're interested in that, you can join me in a 5-day challenge, and the link is in the description to learn more. I have this microphone connected directly to my MacBook Pro using the included USB-C cable, and I'm recording a podcast using the Ecamm software. No additional gear, no complicated setup. I just plug it in and go. When I open up the Ecamm software, all I have to do is select this microphone and it finds it. And just like that, I'm able to record a high quality podcast. Crystal clear, and the mic can even stay out of frame because it's so small. I also use the MoveMic 88 Plus for a Zoom mastermind call with some other content creators using the same setup. And instead of using Ecamm, I just jumped into Zoom, plugged in my headphones on the back, and selected the MoveMic 88 Plus as my audio source, even in this basement studio with air conditioning blowing right behind my head. Not only ideal for the studio, but also when I do any traveling. Another really good use case for this is if you're shooting any type of event like a wedding or a documentary, or maybe you're in news and you need to get that interview in real time in the real world environment. It comes with a windscreen, so it cuts down on the plosives and the outdoor noise. And what I like about using it with the app is that it remembers your settings, so you can always have it ready to go at the setting you last left it at. You can even rotate the mic for the proper left and right orientation and use the app's left and right swap feature to ensure that your video and your audios actually match. I don't personally sing or play an instrument, but those built-in preset modes are designed specifically for that, singing and acoustic instruments. These modes easily apply a subtle EQ and compression to help your sound come through more warmly, naturally, and performance ready without needing post-production. And of course, you can do things in post if you want to, but if you're looking for a quick, simple setup and forget, this microphone can handle that too. Now, because this microphone can do so much, maybe you want to learn a little bit more for yourself. I would highly recommend that you check out the Shure Audio Institute. I signed up for a few months back and have been going through a lot of different trainings. I'll link to it in the video description below, along with the microphone itself, so that you can check out the most current and most accurate up-to-date pricing. The Shure Audio Institute is completely free and filled with quick, practical lessons. You'll not only learn how to master this microphone, but you'll also gain insight into their other products that can just help you elevate your content. You don't have to be an audio engineer, and you won't feel like one after you go through that training. It's built for creators. It's built for people that are wanting to learn how to just simply use the equipment the right way. Audio is 50% of video, and now you have no more excuses. The MoveMic 88 Plus gives you the flexibility, the performance, and the ease of use in one simple microphone. If this video has helped you, hit the thumbs up button. But if you have some questions, post those in the comments section so I can check those out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.